Hello class! Today we will add to what we have already learned about parallelograms and their perimeters and learn to find their area and apply it to composite figures. Read the description of area of parallelograms. The area of a plane figure is the number of unit squares needed to cover the figure. The base of a parallelogram is the length of one side. The height is the perpendicular distance from the base to the opposite side. In your notes, copy the area of parallelograms, which is on page 435 in your textbook. Remember that the base and height of a rectangle are the same as its length and width and can also be written as area equals length times width. Now we will see an example of using a graph to find the area. Remember that the height of a parallelogram is not the length of its slanted side. The height of a figure is always perpendicular to the base. In example 2b, after applying the points 0, 0, 5, 0, 6, 4, and 1, 4 on the graph and counting the unit measurements, you can begin to solve for the area by substituting 5 for the base and 4 for the height. The area is base times height, therefore the area is equal to 20 units. Now let's see how perimeter and area of parallelograms can be applied to composite figures. Read the description of a composite figure. A composite figure is made up of basic geometric shapes such as rectangles, triangles, trapezoids, and circles. To find the area of a composite figure, find the areas of the geometric shapes and then add the areas. In example 3, you need to find the perimeter and area of the figure. Since the lengths of the unlabeled side is the sum of the lengths of the opposite sides, it is 18 units long. After adding all the lengths together, the perimeter equals 52 units. Next, we'll use the same composite figure and find the area. In this example, the figure is broken down into 3 separate shapes. The first one, since we're using the formula area equals base times height, the first one has a base of 6 and a height of 5. The second shape has also a base of 6 and a height of 2. And the third shape has a base of 6 and the height of 5. I will calculate the areas of the shapes individually. The first one will give me an area of 30. The second one will give me an area of 12. And the third one will give me an area of also 30. Lastly, I add the areas together and get 72 units squared. Well, now you have mastered the standard of finding the area and perimeter of parallelograms. Expect to see a composite figure in the California High School exit exam.